Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi and this video is sponsored by Ashimary Hair Company. This is a 360 lace wig with invisible drawstrings for security. It comes with transparent ear tips, which means this wig can be installed without using any glue as shown on this video.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips. So I'm quickly going to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you buy hair from Ashimary Hair Company. So this is their box. It is written Ashimary. Okay, it's so cute. Okay, so let me show you guys what to expect inside. So they were kind enough to include all these nice goodies and I am so happy with all of them. Now on to the star of the show. This girl is gorgeous. Okay, first of all, she is pre-everything. Let me show you. Look at this. Look at that hairline. Look at that hairline. Ashimary Hair said, Bona, we are going to pre-cut this wig. We are going to customize it to the T, and oh my goodness, look at that. This is 22 inches and it looks so long, stretch length. Period. Okay, this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm obsessed. So now let me show you this 360 wig inside. Okay, first thing first that I'm noticing a whole, this is an upgrade. This is an upgraded 360 wig. Okay, because let me show you something. I usually have to trim when I wear my 360 wigs. I have to trim the ear part, and look at that. They already did it for me, and baby, so meaning this wig is pre-everything. Very like I'm not going to be doing anything except putting it on my head, and yeah, look at that. There is absolutely no need for me to trim this wig. It is going to fit perfectly. Let me show you guys how it looks inside. The lace is so nice and soft, as y'all can see. It has removable combs on the side and one right here at the back. You can remove it if you don't feel like using it. And I also love this resistance design. It actually enhances the grip, so your wig is not gonna go anywhere. Okay, look at that. So this wig also has these invisible straps, as y'all can see. This is a total game changer. Look at that. This is the back of the wig, you guys. It has, oh my goodness, I can see that it has 1 2 3 4. This is an upgrade. Okay, so it has 4 lines. Okay, 4 invisible lines, which means whenever I pull it, let's pull it together. Look, it does not bounce back because it has 4 lines instead of 3 lines. Wow, let me show you the lines. So it has 1 2 3 4 lines, and it is nice and stretchy. It is also nice and stretchy inside, so which means if you have a bigger head, it'll fit you. If you have a small head, it'll fit you, because these drawstrings are gonna make sure that this wig fits. So guys, the rest of the video is self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna put on this wig and style it for you. I'm not going to be doing a lot. Okay, I'm going to use invisible ear tapes on the sides, and this wig looks like a glueless wig, so we are definitely going to rock it gluelessly.
Coming closer, it's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm wrong, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. With you forever. You see through the storm, and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look together. I'm because of time, hold you for life.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information and, of course, for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Ashimary Hair Company. Until next time, bye, guys.